Hi! Welcome to our new video of Python Basics series especially created for beginners. Today, we are going to learn about the Python sets and its some basic methods. This Python sets tutorial explains Python set syntax, characteristics, methods, operations, etc. with practical examples. Most of us must have studied sets and set theory in mathematics at one point in our academic journey. If not, then don't worry as this tutorial will be easy to digest. If you are new here, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to receive every video update. Thanks. In Python, a set is a collection of unordered distinct and immutable elements. Each element is unique and cannot be changed. A set itself can be modified, i.e. elements can be added or removed. Are sets unordered? There is no order in which the items are stored in a set. We cannot access items in a set based on index. Does sets contains unique values? Python set can store only unique items. We cannot add an item that is already present in the set. Are sets mutable? We can modify a set. In other words, we can add items to a set or remove items from a set. To create a set in Python, use curly braces. Check this example for your reference. We create sets with 3 items. And items can be of any data type. How to add items to sets? We can add items to sets using .add function. There is an example on your screen. How to remove items from sets? In this program, we create a set with 3 items and delete 2 of them using remove method. Have you guys any questions in your mind? Do not hesitate to ask in the comments section. We learned what Python sets are, how to create them, how to add elements to a set, how to remove elements from a set, and methods of Python set. We are going to learn some exciting new in upcoming videos, so stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, goodbye.